I'm glad that you decided to join me today and spend it with me, because I haven't had a chance to go out and do browsing or shopping with me videos because I've been so extremely busy and trying to get 2023 off to a great start, and I cannot wait to share some things with you. Anyway, I went ahead and started my day early. I've got some running to do. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and I'll kind of show you some of the things I've got to do, but I'm gonna eat some breakfast and let's get going. I am starting my day off with a couple of scrambled eggs on a corn tortilla, and I'm actually just going to pour some of this paste picante sauce on it, just because I don't have any fresh salsa, and I actually love this. Cheers. Normally I'll make a green smoothie, but I have so much going on today and I've got to do some grocery shopping, so I don't have all of the ingredients to make it. And I already had a cup of coffee when I went to drop off my son. I try not to drink too much coffee, but I love it. I could drink it all day long. But anyway, let me eat this and then we'll head over to Home Depot. This year I said I was going to be making things much easier for myself, so I'm going to share with you some of the things that I am doing to bring more joy into my life, more time, more mental peace, and just really relaxation. So I just had some laundry delivered and I can tell you this is the first time, I'm going to be very straight up, the first time I've used this service, and I don't like to say anything on my channel about what I'm doing unless I'm genuinely using the product, I've been using it, or it's something that I've researched and I'm like, wow, this is next for me. So a friend of mine recommended this app, and I'll show it to you right here. And it is a laundry service, and they charge you by the pound. It is $1 a pound, and that includes the soap. If you give them the hangers, they will hang your clothes. You have like specifics, you can go ahead and add that on there. Now there is a little bit more cost involved if you'd end up asking them to do same day service, but I think it has to be picked up by 10 in the morning in order for them to be able to provide that service for you. But anyway, let me show you how they delivered my stuff, and it was my daughter's as well, and I'll tell you exactly how much it was, and so far I can already tell you it's worth it. And I'll also show you some of the things that are going to be going on here at home, not major remodeling, but just brightening it up. So let me switch the camera over and I'll show you how they delivered it. They said that because everything was on hangers, he wanted to make sure that everything was delivered. So, and they labeled it. So this one would be mine, and if it has a B, it was my daughter's. So here are the pants. I told them exactly how I wanted them hung. Here is another one, and I'm just going to show you how many bags. Let me show you the second one again. That's how many. I believe there's 4 or 5. There's 4 here. Here's the other one. All of this. All of this. You can see there's 2 bags. Show you quickly. A lot of them are pants. Some of these are shirts. He said he had them. These are all mine right here. And here's the rest. I just have him drop it off in this tote. You can see the clothes are nicely folded. And then there's a bag for socks. They're matched up, nicely folded. And, oh, this is like undergarments. And that genuinely saved me hours worth of work. To have to, because I am in a rental, so I do go to the laundry facility here at our place. So it's the leaving our place, having to go and, you know, set a timer and make sure I reach the washing machine just as it's finishing so I can switch over everything to the dryer. I let them know I wanted everything dried in a cool setting or a warm setting, not hot. And so far, everything looks great. So I had a total of 35 point something pounds. I'll show it to you right here, and my final cost. Now they did run a pre-approval on my bank card. It was $75. That drops off, and the actual charge was $35. 100% worth it. So anyway, I'm really excited about that, and I will definitely push that for anybody who's wanting to gain extra time in their day or in their week. And it's so extremely cost effective. All I have to do is just take it out of the bags and hang it up. So sold. That's that for 2023 has made my life already 100% better. And before I forget, the one thing they do not do is dry cleaning and the extra large, like king size beddings. They do blankets and sheets and things like that, just not the oversized comforters. Anyway, I'm just thrilled with it. Like, you have no idea thrilled. I could not wait to jump on here and let you guys know about this. But again, as far as the house is concerned, that's all going to be done tomorrow. Some things are very minor that need to be done. So again, it's a rental. There's only so much I want to do at this point, but I do want to brighten it up. The lighting in here is not the best, which has been part of what hinders me in certain areas about recording here at home. But I've had ring lights, which I love, but because of spacing, or I'm trying to maneuver my way around, or the dog comes running, so things have been knocked over, like the ring light. She knocked it over, broke one. I knocked one over and broke one. And now my brand new ring light that you saw me buy at Best Buy not too long ago, I stepped on the end of the cord where the USB connects and I broke it. Anyway, the lighting is going to be changing in here. I'm having some lighting put up there and in my bedroom, and in the living room I think is going to be next. So I'm ready for these changes because to me it just brings a lot of positivity. So positivity thrives, and that's all about life for me. But anyway, let's go ahead and keep on with my day. I've got quite a bit to do. I do need to go to Home Depot and pick up the paint, which is going to match this. It's called Gallery White. I believe it's by Bear. I'm not sure. I'll find out. But Home Depot has it recorded from the last time I bought it, so it'll make a big difference. And the lighting, I'm just so excited. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this going, and I'll see you in a bit. I ate breakfast. I changed into something a little more comfortable since we're going to be roaming Home Depot. I'll go through the store and see what's there while they're mixing the paint, and then come back to pick up my daughter, and then we're going to head out to the mall. So I'm kind of hoping the rest of the day will be a little more chill, but we'll see, because I am waiting to pick up my son. I have no idea what time that's going to be done. So anyway, in the meantime, let's run our errands and get ready. All right. Alright, so I just picked up the paint. I'm going to go drop this off at home, pick up my daughter, and then we're going to head over to the mall. I brought my daughter here to have her eyebrows done for the very first time, and this place does an exceptional job. And I love their little backdrop on their wall. You can actually do selfies here if you wanted. I wish I had a before picture, but this is what my daughter's eyebrows look like. I've never had a fried pickle. That's so good. We did end up ordering from one of the little burger stops in the mall. And as you can see here, my daughter picked extra spicy strips. And this place is called Wayback Burgers, and it's super good. After lunch, we stopped at Victoria's Secret just to quickly swing by and pick up a few things. But I happened to notice that they had some clearance. So let me quickly give you a mini browse with me so that you know that they do have some clearance items. I just dropped my daughter off at home. I'm going to make a quick visit at a friend's house, and then I will go back to the house. But anyway, I just want to let you know where we stopped and ate. Oh my gosh, I've never had fried pickles before, and they were so good. My daughter kept telling me they're good, and I finally tried them. Anyway, I'm going to quickly stop and visit here, and then I'll see you in just a little bit. My friend's dogs had a litter of puppies, totally unexpected. And I just came by to get my little puppy fix. Oh my gosh, look at them. And you can see the proud mama and papa. They just kept like nudging me over so that I could see their babies. I actually lay down to take a nap. I was pretty wiped out. Anyway, the dog woke me up and got things rolling again. But I am going to go ahead and do a little bit of baking. And then we've got dinner coming tonight, so I got to get ready for that. It's still really early. It looks really dark outside, but it's one of the joys of living out here in Reno up near the mountains. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. I'm going to let you see some of the before and in progress type things that are happening here at home. And we'll be adding lights and more shelving units and things of that sort, so I can keep you posted in a different video. But for now, I'll just let you kind of like look around and see what we've got going on. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't normally do these videos, but it was fun to include you in my day. So I will see you all in the next video.